a Kids Wild Ride production.
Hello guys, we're back with the egg opening video. We have A&L Choco dinosaur egg, 2 Star Wars eggs, and a Crazy Fruits watermelon egg. So let's open some eggs. First I'm going to open the Crazy Fruits egg. And I'm opening this one first. And I got, looks like an airplane. Oh, it's a race car. It's a racing car, number 369. And then I'm gonna open the Star Wars. Oh, I got a slap bracelet. Here it is, right here. And now I'm gonna slap it on. Doesn't really fit my wrist though.
It's a little small.
Oops.
Whoa! It's a bouncy ball.
Now I'm gonna open my second Star Wars egg. Oh, what? A second slap bracelet. Oh, what? These must be pretty common now, these things. I'm just going to do this again.
It's the same characters.
Probably is. Looks just like it. I'll just re-show it to you in case you forget what it looks like. Right here. Now I have 2. Now I'm going to do the biggest for last. The A&L Choco.
Dinosaur.
Yep, Dinosaur Edition. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Looks like you shoot a car off of it, or what is that? I don't know what that is. Looks like you open this. Let's see if. Okay, let's see what this does. Whoa, it shoots that pretty fast. I'll show you that again in case you missed it. Oops.
It's a soccer shooter. So you open the top. Okay, give me the soccer pieces. You take these little soccer pieces. Load it. Okay. The last one. Load it in there. Close it. Hold on. And fire.
We'll shoot the bag. Oops. Oops. Fail. Epic fail. Bye guys, and if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and watch more of our videos if you like this. See you later.